What's up, you guys? Andre here with Pinnacle Credit Repair, the fastest credit repair company online today. And I want to talk to you about one thing called Goodwill letters. I'm going to break it to you real fast here and just upfront. Goodwill letters, they don't really work. And if they do work, they work a very, very small percentage. And the success rate is just so small that you're better off not even doing it. And yeah, a Goodwill letter is basically, how would I put this? It's kind of like asking your ex-girlfriend to get back with you in a very, very nice way. It just doesn't work. If anything, the best way for you to ask your ex-girlfriend to get back with you is to move on and become more successful and a better version of yourself. That way, if anything, she'll look back and be like, okay, he changed, or maybe, you know, he's actually worth being with, right? The key is to make her miss you. Similarly to creditors, except don't send them a Goodwill letter, okay? Yeah, Goodwill letters don't work. You'll have the CEO of Credit Repair Cloud, which is a complete dork, in my opinion, and his software is crap. It's totally inaccurate, and I could make a video about that too, giving you firsthand proof because I've used Credit Repair Cloud, and if you use Credit Repair Cloud, you know, you're going to use cookie cutter disputes that they provide, and a billion other people are doing it. So I'll make a video about this later. After this video, I will make a video about that. But today, yeah, Goodwill letters don't work. In order to repair your credit effectively is to use legal leverage to your utmost advantage and to be aggressive and effectively communicate that message in a legal way that is taken serious. The creditor is either going to take you serious or not, or just flat out neglect your dispute to begin with. The Bureau, remember, as a credit repair consumer advocate, you're up against two entities. Number one, the credit bureaus. Number two, the creditors themselves. So you got to beat them. You're already at a disadvantage when you go against these people that collude together. And you know, a Goodwill letter is basically just, it's so weak, it's not strong at all, and it's not a good strategy. You want to utilize legal leverage to your advantage. I will tell you firsthand experience, we never use Goodwill letters to remove collections. We never use Goodwill letters to remove late payments. We never use Goodwill letters for anything, okay? So if you want to remove late payments off, you should definitely seek out hiring us because we have shown case studies after case studies. Just go to my channel. Go to subscribe, go to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get, you know, notifications of new information and new promotions and just whatever we feel like talking about on this channel. It's mostly credit repair related. And just take the time to look at the client testimonies. It just takes like 5 minutes, an hour of your time. You know, would you rather spend an hour of time researching about us than just wasting your time with another company? Do the research, because here's the thing. A lot of these professionals in the industry are not showing you success ratios. For instance, you might be able to use a Goodwill once in your career if you're a credit repair professional and it would work. And then all you have to do is just monetize your crowd, rally up an audience to make one video and say, oh, it's successful, try it out. Well, if you do that, you're not getting a success ratio, meaning out of 100 people, out of 100 files, will you get a high success ratio? And a high success ratio to Pinnacle is above 85%. That's the bare minimum, right? We try to hit above 85, you know, 85 is like the bare minimum. 90% would be the goal, right? But 88% is fine. As you look on our website, this is our, you know, our statistical average, 80% deletion, you know. And yeah, so we don't use Goodwill letters. Goodwill letters are just so silly. They don't work. So if you've ever heard of anyone promoting Goodwill letters, just know that it's BS. Don't fall for it. If you have late payments on a mortgage account, if you have late payments on a credit card account, give us a try. We have two programs. If you're broke and you don't have $1,500 to $3,000 to hire the best, which is me, I'm the best, then try the Fast Track Elite program, which still uses our artificial intelligence program called ACAT. ACAT is abbreviated for Automatic Credit Analytic Technologies. Have you guys heard of Chat GPT? Have you looked at Google? These are all AI bots, AI software programs that are really good, really smart. And basically, our program can preload your disputes, make them winning, and choose the best route to go. And then working with me, you can go that route. Either way, it's still faster because we dispute way more than Lexington Law, creditrepair.com, Sky Blue, Fortress Credit, Innovation Credit, whatever it is. We do better than them because I looked at all the top 100 and we're the best. So if you want to learn more about Pinnacle, I'll leave a link in the description below, which badcredit.org, money.com has written articles about us, and cardrates.com. These are all big companies that pride Pinnacle Credit Repair as the fastest credit repair company with most effectiveness because of our technology and our methods and how we do things. We don't have a sales team. We do not believe in selling, calling you. You can call us. You can contact us. You can go to my website, which I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you want to try our service, we welcome you. All right, guys. Goodwill letters do not work. Do not fall for it. See you on the next one.